Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off your active status on Messenger. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. By the way, turning off your active status on Messenger means that the other people cannot see when you are online, okay? So first, you want to open your Messenger and then go to Settings. So sometimes it really depends on the device that you are using where you can find the settings option or button. So here in this tutorial, you just need to click on these three little lines on the upper left side of your screen, and then you can see the settings button on the upper part. So just go ahead and click at that, and you can see active status. So just want to click at that. So here you can see this switch is now off, so it means that other people cannot see when I am online. So if you turn that off, it means that your friends and connections can see when you are active, current or recently active on this profile. So here you can also see this other option. It means show when you are active together. So your friends and connections can see when you are both active in the same chat. You'll also be able to see when they're active in the same chat. So that's it. That's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.